It's Ford Truck Month at Jenkins & Wynn. For 35 years, Ford has been the leader in truck sales. The 2012 Ford F-150 is Motor Trend's Truck of the Year. Check out the Ford EcoBoost engine, twin turbochargers, direct fuel injection, 365 horsepower, 440 foot-pounds of torque, and 17 city, 22 highway fuel economy. All Ford cars and trucks have special incentives all month long and are backed by our 48-hour price and product guarantee. Shop us anytime online at jenkinsandwynn.com.